Welcome back here in this Chapter 26 video tutorial on Macro and VBA Basic to Advanced video series. In this chapter, you'll learn how to interact with the user response in VBA message box. First, create a module and sub-procedure. Define the variable dim result as VB message box result. Press Enter. Set the message box for result. Result is equal to message box, open parentheses. Do you want to learn Excel? Put a comma and select the message box type. Let's take here VB, yes, no type by double-clicking on it. Put a comma and give a title for message box. For example, MS Excel. Close parentheses. This will display the message box with yes and no button. To respond when the user clicks on yes button, we can expand the code. Press Enter. If you want to display a new message box with the text, your name is successfully registered as new student. When user clicks on the yes button, you can use the if statement. If result is equal to VB yes, then message box, your name is successfully registered in new student group. Put a comma and choose VB information type. If you want to display a different message box when the user clicks no, write the else statement. Else, message box. Okay, contact us anytime if you want to learn. Close the if statement by typing end if. Let's hit on the run button. A message box is displayed. Let's click on yes. Another message box is displayed mentioning your name is successfully registered in new student group. Click on OK and run the code again. This time, let's click on the no button. Here you see, a different message is displayed in the message box, which is, OK, please contact us anytime if you wish to learn. So, that was the example of interacting with the user's response on message box in Excel VBA. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.